Hey, what's up? 2021 was an important year for Realme. After all, the company had a lot of firsts. The Chinese brand that started as Oppo's sub-brand launched its very first tablet and also its the very first laptop. The company introduced its laptop series under the simple Realme Book moniker. It unveiled two variants of the laptop aiming at the affordable range. The laptops were very good for students, bringing a lightweight profile, neat design, and Intel 11th generation processor. The company has now expanded the Realme laptop with a new model dubbed Realme Book Enhanced Air. The Realme Book Enhanced Air flaunts a 14-inch IPS LCD with a 2K resolution of 2160 by 1440 pixels. The product offers a peak brightness of 400 nits and also offers 100% sRGB colors. Under the hood, the laptop backs an Intel Core i5-11320H quad-core processor with Intel Xe graphics. The processor has a base clock speed of 3.2 GHz and can go up to 4.5 GHz. As mentioned above, the Realme laptop backs 16 GB of DDR4 4266 MHz RAM with 512 GB of NVMe SSD storage. For video calls, there is a 720p webcam at the top bezel. The laptop boots Windows 11 straight out of the box. It also comes with a 2-level backlit keyboard with a 1.3mm key travel. In terms of ports, the laptop has a 3.5mm headphone jack. Moreover, there are two USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 ports, a USB Type-A 3.1 Gen 1 port, and a Thunderbolt 4 port. For security purposes and quickly unlock, there is a fingerprint scanner. Moving on, the laptop features Harman Kardon tuned stereo speakers with surround sound by DTS. It also packs a 54 watt-hour battery. As per Realme, the battery can offer up to 12 hours of juice on a single charge. Moreover, it comes with a 65-watt PD charging support. It recharges the battery from 0 to 50% in about 30 minutes. The laptop will come with support for Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, etc. For now, there is no word on a variant with 5G connectivity. As previously said, the Realme Enhanced Air comes in a single variant with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of NVMe SSD storage. It retails at $740. It comes in sky blue and island gray. For now, there is no word on the launch of the device yet. Thank you for watching. See you soon.